Okay, now that we have both our Facebook and Instagram created, we have a business page on Facebook and we have a business or creator page on Instagram. Let's go through the process of hooking them up together, and then we'll get into a few key settings that we need before we get started. So over here on Facebook, let's go up to the top right where the avatar is here. We're going to click our account and we're going to go to settings and privacy. We're going to click settings. And then over here on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to linked accounts. And then we're going to go to Instagram. This is where we're going to connect our Instagram business or creator account by clicking this button. This will confirm that they're going to make the connection, so we'll click there. Make sure that this is ticked on, click confirm. And then it will have us go ahead and log in. And we're going to continue, again, just confirming that the accounts are going to be linked from now on. Perfect. This is your confirmation. Instagram and your Facebook have been connected. We'll click done. And then we just want to verify that this tick mark is always on. So you are officially connected. So let's get to the next step.